I am Shumaila, certified hypnotist. I'm here to carry you to your deep, profound, relaxed state. Soon you will find that your whole body will relax and let go. Your mind will be so deep in relaxation that it will let go completely. You will soon notice that your heart beat will show a most profound, relaxed rhythm. You will soon enjoy amazing, profound, relaxed state that you are looking for right now. Make sure you are not listening to this file while driving. Now move and adjust and find your comfortable posture. You may sit on a chair or simply lie down. Very good. Before I ask you to close your eyes, I want you to notice how are you feeling right now on a scale of 1 to 10. 10 being the most relaxed you can be, and 1 is the least relaxed you can be. Wonderful. You are doing great. Now you know your present state of relaxation, and at the end of the file you will see an amazing increase in your level of relaxation on the same scale of 1 to 10. Once again, move and adjust to find your comfortable posture. Very good. Before I ask you to close your eyes, I want you to tell yourself that you have nothing to do right now. Nothing at all. This is your time, your personal time to relax. Tell yourself that you deserve to have your personal time to relax. And this is your time. Very good. Wonderful. Now move and adjust once again and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Hold it for a few seconds and exhale. Now take a second deep breath in. Hold for a few seconds and exhale. Now again, take a deep breath in. Hold for a few seconds and exhale. With each breath that you take, allow yourself to relax deeper and deeper. Deeper you go, more you relax. More you relax, deeper you go. Now I am going to have you relax each part of your body, starting from the top of your head all the way down to the bottom of your feet. What I'd like you to do, as I mention each part of your body, I want you to place all of your focus on that part and try to tense up or clench or tighten up that specific muscle as much as you can. And then you can let go and release it. And as you let go, you can allow that portion of your body to relax completely. Let's begin with the top of your head. Tense up or tighten up all the muscles around your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and even your nose for a few moments. And now let go completely and relax. Now tighten up all the muscles around your mouth, your chin, and your jaw. And let go completely and let them relax. More you relax, deeper you go. Deeper you go, more you relax. Now tighten up all the muscles in your neck area for a moment and let go. Good job. Tighten up your shoulder area and your upper arms as much as you can. And now let them go completely. Wonderful. You're doing just great. Let your shoulders droop down, heavy and relaxed. Now tighten up all the muscles from your elbows down through to your forearms, your wrists, all the way down to your fingertips, clenching your fists closed as tight as you can. And just let go, allowing them to be totally relaxed and still. As you continue to breathe regular and comfortably, I'd like you to tighten up all the muscles in your chest area. Very good. And let go now. And tighten up all the muscles in your stomach. Hold it for a few seconds. And as you let go, you allow all of the stress and tension to leave your body completely. Amazing. Now tighten up the areas around your hips and your thighs. And just let go. Allow yourself to relax more and more. More you relax, deeper you go. Deeper you go, more you relax. And now tighten up the muscles of your calves, your ankles, your feet and toes. Make them tight and clenched as much as you can. And as you let go, allow everything in your body to relax completely. From the top of your head to the bottom of your feet, you can allow yourself now to relax completely and deeply. Deeper you go, more you relax. More you relax, deeper you go. Very good. You're doing just great. Now, I would like you to use your imagination for a few moments. I'd like you to imagine, to think about yourself lying down outside on the most comfortable piece of furniture you can imagine. It is a pleasant, gorgeous day. The sun is just beginning to set. The temperature is just right, just the way you like it. Best of all, there are no insects anywhere to distract you. It is as if this place were made just for you. You find yourself alone and completely safe, comfortable. So go ahead and imagine that piece of furniture that you are on right now. Describe it to yourself in detail. What is the color, the size, the texture? Get it clear in your mind so it becomes real to you. It is more comfortable than the softest feather bed. And as you lay there, you are gazing up at the beautiful dawn sky. You notice the colors, the shades of reds, blues, and yellows. The many colors as they dance upon the few scattered clouds. As you continue to gaze effortlessly at the sky, you watch the beautiful clouds begin to form into shapes. Some look like animals, your favorite animals. Some look like trees, beautiful green, lush green trees. All different shapes that let your imagination begin to roam. When you notice one of the cloud that is nearly above you begin to form into the shape of a number. It looks just like the number 20. And as the soft breeze blows on it, you see It begins to dissolve and blows away as easily as it formed. Then you notice another cloud coming by that forms into the number 19, and then it begins to dissolve in the soft breeze too. You notice that this keeps happening slowly as the clouds form into the number 18, then dissolves away, and then 17. It continues this way, going down, down in numbers, very, very slowly. 16. And you notice that in between each numbered cloud, as it blows away and as the next one forms, 15, that you're becoming so very tired. 14, so relaxed, and you enjoy this wonderful relaxation. 13, and you find yourself even allowing yourself to let go completely. 12, you give yourself the permission that this is what you want to do. 11, as you continue to see the clouds forming into the numbers 10, and you continue to observe them slowly on your own. 9, and with each one as it goes by, 8, you become twice as relaxed, twice as much as the one before. 7, as you observe them. 6, dissolving, just passing by. 5, you are so comfortable, so open. 4, totally safe. 3, and completely at ease. You fall into a wonderful dreaming state. 2, until finally you see the last cloud form into the number 1. And as it dissolves, you allow yourself to let go completely, so very relaxed. More you relax, deeper you go. Deeper you go, more you relax. You are going deeper and deeper into relaxation. You can notice that your whole body has relaxed and let go completely. Your mind is so empty and relaxed. You can clearly feel your heartbeat, your relaxed, beautiful, rhythmic heartbeat. It's amazing, wonderful. You're doing just great. I would like you now to think about a daisy, a beautiful daisy. This daisy has 10 petals on it. I want you to visualize that you are pulling out each petal one by one, thinking that the number 10 is the most relaxed that you can be, and number 1 is the least relaxed you can be. Now, remaining totally relaxed, tell yourself the number at which you are relaxed. Good job. You see, there is a tremendous increase in your relaxation on the same scale of 10 to 1. Every time you will listen to this file, you will always let go and relax completely. Every time you want to relax your whole body, your mind, and your heart, you will listen to this file and you will be completely relaxed the way you are right now. In just a moment, I'm going to count to 5, and at the count of 5 you will come all the way back from hypnosis to the here and now, feeling totally relaxed and wonderful in every way. 1, you are beginning to emerge from hypnosis. 2, feeling totally relaxed. 3, your mind is clear and alert. 4, your eyes are starting to open. And 5, eyes wide open, fully awake and feeling fine and wonderful in every way.